Adventure bikes have never been more popular, and with this surge in demand comes a new breed of machines that blur the lines between rally performance and real-world usability. Aprilia is stepping confidently into this space with the 2025 Tuareg Rally, a motorcycle that doesn't just borrow rally style but inherits actual rally DNA. Built from the foundation of the proven Tuareg 660, this new rally version is more than just an off-road pretender. It's a genuine rally-bred machine, tuned and tweaked for the kind of performance that matters when the tarmac ends and the terrain gets tough. The 2025 Aprilia Tuareg Rally is a clear statement from no ale. They're not just here to play, they're here to lead. Let's break down why this bike stands out and what makes it a serious contender in the off-road and adventure segment. Engine tuning inspired by real racing at first glance. The Tuareg Rally shares the same 659cc parallel twin engine as its base sibling, but under the surface lies a key difference: a race-derived engine map. This update sharpens the throttle response significantly, enhancing control and feedback in the low and mid-range where off-road performance matters most. Aprilia didn't just guess what riders needed, they leaned on data and experience from their own rally raid development. The result is a machine that feels alive under your wrist, offering immediate and precise throttle delivery when navigating tough terrain. It still peaks at 80 horsepower, but the way that power is delivered makes all the difference when the riding gets technical. This responsiveness is complemented by a titanium SC Project exhaust system, which not only adds an aggressive tone but helps trim weight and optimize engine breathing. Suspension built for serious terrain. One of the most significant upgrades for the Tuareg Rally is its Kaiba suspension system, which now features linear rate springs rather than the progressive units found on the standard Tuareg. This change might sound minor to some, but for anyone riding off-road, it's massive. Linear rate springs provide consistent damping throughout their travel, which translates into more predictable behavior over jumps, rocks, and ruts. It's a trait that seasoned off-road riders will immediately recognize and appreciate. Whether you're blasting through desert tracks or threading through forest trails, the improved suspension delivers superior control and confidence. Combine this with the existing long travel fork and rear shock setup, and you have a chassis that's ready for rally-level punishment, weight saving, and durability. The Rally Advantage adventure riders know that protection is paramount, and Aprilia delivers on that front. The Tuareg Rally comes equipped with a reinforced aluminum skid plate, a new chain guide, a high-mounted front fender, and tough handguards to ward off branches, rocks, and trail debris. The bike also receives lightweight ergo-spoked wheels, which reduce unsprung weight and enhance durability. These wheels, designed to take abuse, are another direct nod to rally-level riding. They're not just cosmetic, they're built for the kind of terrain that breaks lesser bikes. Despite these rugged upgrades, the Rally manages to weigh in at just 439 pounds, 11 pounds lighter than the standard Tuareg. This not only improves handling, but makes the bike more manageable in technical sections, steep inclines, or when picking it up after an inevitable tumble. Ergonomic enhancements for long-distance comfort. Aprilia has also paid close attention to rider ergonomics, recognizing that long-distance off-road riding demands a different physical approach. The Rally's seat height is increased by 0.8 inches, providing more legroom and improving the rider's ability to stand up comfortably while riding. The handlebar has been redesigned for a more upright and commanding stance, wider and taller. It enhances control during aggressive off-road riding, especially when you're standing on the pegs. These changes make a big difference over a long day of riding, reducing fatigue and improving maneuverability. It's these ergonomic improvements, alongside the mechanical upgrades, that make the Rally not just more capable, but more rideable. A Rally aesthetic that reflects its purpose. At Tuareg Rally doesn't just ride differently, it looks the part. With gold anodized forks, rims, and handlebars, it wears its Rally spirit proudly. The aggressive paint scheme and minimalist graphics reflect its racing pedigree, while giving it a bold visual signature that separates it from the pack. This isn't adventure tourism, it's off-road ambition. Every detail, from the revised lighting design to the rugged plastics, communicates the bike's readiness to tackle hard terrain and look sharp doing it. core upgrades shared with the standard Tuareg 660. While the rally version is undoubtedly the spotlight model for 2025, Aprilia hasn't neglected the base Tuareg 660. Both bikes benefit from new 50mm throttle bodies, an upgrade from the previous 48mm units. This enhances throttle response and engine efficiency across the board. A revised headlight design brings a modern edge to the front fascia, while new colors Tornado Green and Hailstorm White tanned or red painted frame give the standard Tuareg a fresh dose of personality. It's clear that Aprilia is investing heavily in keeping the Tuareg family at the forefront of the adventure segment. Customization. The freedom to build your own rally bike is a clever move. Aprilia is making many of the rally-specific components available as accessories for the standard Tuareg 660. This allows existing Tuareg owners or budget-conscious riders to upgrade their bikes progressively. Want the spoked wheels, heavy-duty, skid plate, or rally-style handguards? They're all available. There are also new comfort seats available in multiple heights, heated seat options, and even a tire pressure monitoring system to round out the package. This modular approach shows that Aprilia isn't just selling motorcycles, they're selling a platform. Whether you want a mild-mannered tourer or a dirt-ready weapon, you can build the Tuareg that fits your riding style. Aimed at the true off-road enthusiast, 2025 Tuareg Rally is not a half-hearted special edition. It's a fully realized rally platform, built with serious riders in mind. It competes in a segment where the stakes are high and the expectations even higher, going head-to-head with machines like the KTM 890 Adventure Rally and Yamaha Tenor 700 World Raid. What makes the Aprilia stand out is its balance of performance, design, and adaptability. It delivers serious off-road capability while maintaining enough comfort and usability for long-distance travel. That's a rare and valuable combination in the midweight ADV market. Pricing and release details of July 2025. Aprilia has not yet confirmed pricing for the Tuareg Rally, though it's expected to land at a premium over the base model. Given its upgrades and rally-proven hardware, the extra cost is likely to be justified for riders who demand true off-road capability.